In this video, we are going to see how to convert a particular number in a certain measurement system to another measurement system. For example, we want to convert the dimensions which are given in feet to dimensions which are in meters. So these are the dimensions of a certain object, the area. Now we have to first separate out length and width in which is given in feet. So for that we will use another feature of Excel that is known as flash fill, which we have covered in the previous video. Now for that what we need to do is type the dimension of the first area. So 50. Now press Ctrl E. Now Ctrl E is the shortcut for flash fill. Repeat this with width. Type the first number 38. After that Ctrl E. So you can see that we have got length and feet separated from the dimensions part. Now what we are going to do is apply the formula for converting the feet to meters. So for that the formula is press equal to, then type convert, CONV. The formula will start coming. Press tab. It will ask for a number. So the number is which we want to convert. So 50 is the number which we want to convert. It is asking from unit. So you move down and find where foot is given. Press tab again. After that, in what you want to convert. So comma and meter is in the topmost part. So meter, and then close the bracket, enter. Now you can see that the conversion has happened. So 50 feet in meters is 15.25. Now what we are going to do is we are going to copy paste this formula to all the cells, and we can make it 2 digits. So you can see that it has converted the dimensions which were available with us in feet to meters. So cross checking, what you can do is multiply 50. 1 feet is 12 inch and 1 inch is 2.54 centimeter. So centimeter to meter is divided by 100, 15.24. So this is the way to cross check also. So basically your data is converted from feet to meters by using the function that is convert. I hope this video was clear and the use of convert function was clear to you. Thank you.